Mini punches way above its weight. Mac Mini features 4th generation Intel Core processors, faster integrated graphics, Thunderbolt 2, next generation Wi-Fi, and plenty of ports. Everything you expect from a Mac, and more. 4th generation Intel Core processors. The little engine that does. With 4th generation Intel Core processors, Mac Mini keeps up with computers twice its size. You can choose a 1.4 GHz, 2.6 GHz, or 2.8 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5. Or go for an even more powerful 3.0 GHz dual-core Intel Core i7. When you're using processor-intensive applications, Turbo Boost 2.0 increases the clock speed up to 3.5 GHz. Hyper-threading lets each core run 2 threads, so macOS multitasks even more efficiently. And an integrated memory controller connects fast 1600 MHz memory directly to the processor, so it gets right to work on your data. In short, Mac Mini is a little box of room. Intel Iris Graphics and HD Graphics 5000. Every pixel comes alive. Intel Iris Graphics and Intel HD Graphics 5000 deliver up to 90% more pixel-pushing performance than the previous generation of integrated graphics. Point 1. So the video you watch and the games you play are smoother and more responsive. Flipping through photo albums is a breeze. And now you've got all the power you need to edit your HD video into a film worthy of a red carpet premiere. Mac Mini graphics performance up to 90% faster than previous generation Mac Mini. 1.11.9xx Plane 10 1.5x StarCraft 2 1.2x Portal 2 baseline storage. Make it big and fast. Fusion Drive, a high capacity for intelligence. Standard on the $999 model and a configurable option on the others. The 1TB Fusion Drive combines a 1TB hard drive with amazingly quick PCIe-based flash storage. 2 Fusion Drive automatically and intelligently manages your data so that frequently used apps, documents, photos, and other files stay on the faster flash storage, while infrequently used items move to the hard drive. You'll enjoy shorter boot times, and as the system learns how you work, you'll see faster application launches and quicker file access. Best of all, you don't have to do a thing to make it happen. You can also choose a 500 GB or 1 TB hard drive or even a 2 TB Fusion Drive. 2 Or configure your Mac Mini with up to 1 TB of flash storage in a solid-state drive for the fastest performance. Flash storage delivers nearly 9 times the performance of a disk drive. 3 Speed you'll notice when you boot your Mac Mini, launch an app, or browse your photo library. Up to 2 TB Fusion Drive performance up to 4x faster than 5400 RPM 2.5-inch hard drive. 4.0x file copy. Duplicate 4 GB folder. 2.2x system boot baseline Thunderbolt 2. The fastest, most versatile I/O in any desktop of any size. Thunderbolt 2 technology in Mac Mini is phenomenally fast. The 2 Thunderbolt 2 ports on Mac Mini feature dual 20 Gbps channels for data transfer. That's up to 4 times faster than USB 3. But beyond speed, Thunderbolt gives you unprecedented expansion capabilities. You can daisy chain as many as 6 Thunderbolt devices to a single port. And since Thunderbolt is based on DisplayPort technology, mini DisplayPort devices like the Apple LED Cinema display plug right in, too. Up to 25x faster than FireWire 800 USB 3, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. You're very well connected. Plenty of ports make it ready for anything. As powerful as Thunderbolt 2 is, it's just one of your options. If you have a third-party display, you can use the HDMI port to connect it. You can connect 2 displays to see more of your photos, movies, and documents at the same time. And a built-in SDXC card slot makes it easy to import those photos and videos from your digital camera. USB 3. With USB 3 built into Mac Mini, you can connect your external hard drive and transfer large files in seconds instead of minutes. Every Mac Mini comes with 4 USB 3 ports with speeds up to 10 times faster than USB 2, and you can connect all your USB-compatible devices, including your iPhone, iPad, iPod, or digital camera. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Powerful 800 2.11 AC wireless technology is built into every Mac Mini. It automatically locates your Wi-Fi network so you can connect and start surfing the web, printing, and streaming your music wirelessly. Bluetooth wireless technology is also built in so you can connect accessories such as a wireless keyboard and mouse. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also make it easy to seamlessly share your work with your other devices using handoff or AirDrop. Bring your own display, keyboard, and mouse. Plug your own display, keyboard, and mouse into Mac Mini. Turn it on, and just like that, everything works together. That's one of the great things about Mac Mini. You can mix and match it with almost anything. Use Mac Mini with third-party displays, keyboards, and mice. It all just works. No screen is too big. It's easy to connect Mac Mini to the biggest screen in the house, your HD TV, courtesy of a built-in HDMI port. All it takes is one HDMI cable to start enjoying movies and TV shows from iTunes, surfing the web, and flipping through your photo library, all in brilliant HD. And when you just want to listen to music, you can play your entire iTunes collection through your home entertainment center or stream it to AirPlay-enabled speakers. The Lego Batman movie is available on iTunes. It's like having your own team of experts. Every new Mac comes with professional advice, award-winning service and support, and a world of online resources. Support from AppleCare. A Mac includes 90 days of free telephone technical support and a 1-year limited warranty. If you purchase the AppleCare Protection Plan, you can extend that coverage to 3 years from your AppleCare Plus purchase date. Support from the Apple Retail Store. You can always get expert advice at the Genius Bar in any Apple retail store. You'll get the personal, essential attention you need to solve issues with your Mac or any of your devices. And you'll leave with added knowledge to help you properly maintain your device at home. Apple Footer Mac Mini starting at just $499. Compare Mac models fast, free delivery. Choose free delivery or pick up available items at an Apple store. 1. Testing conducted by Apple in October 2014 using pre-production 2.6 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5-based Mac Mini units with Intel Iris and 1,536 MB graphics memory. Configured with 8 GB RAM in shipping 2.3 GHz quad-core Intel Core i7-based Mac Mini units with Intel HD graphics 4001 GB graphics memory, configured with 4 GB RAM. Resolution used 2560 by 1440. X-Plane 10 tested using FPS_test equals 2 test_flight_747.FDR with anti-aliasing disk. StarCraft 2 tested using Game Replay, neo_planet_s_law_star2.org, SC2, replay with anti-aliasing enabled and medium graphics quality. Portal 2 tested using Time Demo Test File, Laser Stairs, with 4x anti-aliasing and high graphics quality. Performance tests are conducted using specific computer systems and reflect the approximate performance of Mac Mini 2. 1 GB equals 1 billion byte and 1 TB equals 1 trillion byte, actual formatted capacity less. 3. Testing conducted by Apple in October 2014 using pre-production 3.0 GHz dual-core Intel Core i7-based Mac Mini units with 1 TB solid-state drive. Configured with 16 GB RAM in pre-production 2.6 GHz dual-core Intel Core i5-based Mac Mini units with a 1 TB 5400 RPM hard drive, configured with 8 GB RAM. Testing conducted using Iometer the 27th of July 2006 with a 30-second ramp-up, 5-minute run duration, 512 kilobytes request size, 8 outstanding IOs, and 150 GB test file. Average rotational media performance calculated by creating the test file on the outer, middle, and inner sectors of the drive and averaging the results from all three measurements. Performance tests are conducted using specific computer systems and reflect the approximate performance of Mac Mini. 4. Testing conducted by Apple in October 2014 using